Hello everyone, I am Akshit from class 7B. Today I am going to make a video on the subject geography. Today we are going to see about lesson 2 weather and climate. In weather and climate we are going to see about the topic clouds and their types. First we can see what are clouds. A cloud is a mass of water droplets and ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. Clouds are formed when the water vapor in the atmosphere condenses with dust particles. The types of precipitation falling from the clouds are rain, snow, hail, and sleet. Clouds also produce lightning and thunder and tornadoes. And this is the picture of clouds. Now, did you know? The clouds in the Jupiter are made up of ammonia and the clouds of Saturn's moon Titan are made up of methane and ethane gases. Now we are going to see about the types of clouds. The four types of clouds are known as cirrus clouds, cumulus clouds, stratus clouds and nimbus clouds. First, we are going to see about cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds are high clouds. Cirrus clouds contain tiny ice crystals. They appears like hair. Cirrus clouds are present at 6,000 to 12,000 meters. Cirrus clouds are dry clouds and they are rainless. Cirrus clouds are formed by the ascent of dry air making the water vapor into ice crystals. And the cirrus clouds are completely made up of ice crystals, so they get white color. And this is the picture of cirrus clouds. Did you know cirrus clouds can be also created by the vapor trails left by the planes? Our next type is cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are medium clouds. Cumulus clouds have a woolly appearance. Cumulus clouds are thick enough to cover the sun and moon. Cumulus clouds are present at 2,000 to 6,000 meters. Cumulus clouds causes heavy showers. Cumulus clouds are formed by convection as hot air is lifted from the surface and it cools down, then condenses to form clouds. If the conditions allow, they can grow in shape and size. Cumulus clouds often indicate fair day. And this is the picture of cumulus clouds. Did you know an average cumulus cloud has a volume of 1 billion cubic meter or 1 cubic kilometer? That's equal to 400,000 Olympic sized swimming pools. Stratus clouds. Stratus clouds have dark grey appearance. Stratus clouds has a flat uniform base. Stratus clouds are present above 2,000 meters. Stratus clouds causes drizzle. Drizzle means small rain, or they can fall in the form of light snow. Stratus clouds are white clouds or they are grey clouds. Stratus clouds can allow only small amount of light to pass through it. And this is the picture of stratus clouds. Did you know often in urban areas the stratus traps the dirt and pollution contents in them, and as we know stratus rarely causes rain. As a result, at the end of the day, people feel sticky and dirty when the stratus passes over their city. Our next type of clouds is nimbus clouds. Nimbus clouds are very thick dark clouds. Nimbus clouds are present below 2,000 meters. Nimbus clouds causes rain and snow. Nimbus clouds are dark because it is dense in water. Nimbus clouds mix with cumulus clouds to form cumulonimbus clouds. Nimbus clouds mix with altostratus clouds to form nimbostratus clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds are the most dangerous clouds because it creates tornadoes, hailstorms, lightning and very heavy rain. And this is the picture of nimbus clouds. And this is the picture of cumulonimbus clouds. It is creating a tornado. And this is the picture of nimbostratus clouds. Did you know green clouds often indicates tornadoes? Thank you.